In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a tool in Roblox Studio. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's one, I actually have a new microphone. Don't know if you can tell the difference, but hopefully you'll get a lot less keyboard and mouse noise, and overall audio quality will sound a bit better. Alright, let's get into it. So, how to make a tool. The first thing you want to do is you want to actually make the tool. So you want to insert a part, and then you want to make, like, for this video I'm actually going to make a cup. So just a basic cup. Obviously you can make whatever you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be back in a second. Also, sometimes I do actually use this little soldier guy just for reference to see how big I should make the cup. So if you want to do that, you can. Okay, so once you've made your cup, you want to grab one of the pieces. I'm going to grab this outside piece, and you want to name it, change the name to handle. Make sure all the capitals are correct and everything is good like that. Oh, I'm actually going to make this transparent. Like that, and then maybe the cup a bit less. Okay, so once you've got the handle, you want to take both the other parts, or any other parts that you have to it, and you want to drag them and put them inside the handle. Okay, so how you know you've done this correctly is if you can drag the handle, and it will drag all the other parts along with it. So you can delete your little soldier now if you want to. Okay, so now you've got that. That's actually not scaled properly. Wait, no, I was being stupid. It was. I think it is. Okay, so once you've got your handle, you want to highlight all of it. So click the handle, and then hold shift, and then click the bottom part. That'll select everything in between. And then you want to go over to plugins, and you want to get this Welding plugin. I will link it in the description. So you want to download and install that, and then you want to click create weld profile, the one right, completely to the right, and that will weld everything together. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to insert a tool into the workspace, and you want to basically just drag the handle inside the tool. You can delete the touch interest because that doesn't really do anything. And that is your tool. So you can name this tool to, like, cup. You can name that to anything you want, whatever it is. And that is your tool. So now you want to get the positioning right. So select your cup or your tool, and then you want to get this plugin as well. I will link it in the description. Egg Moose's plugin. It's the tool grip editor. So you want to select your cup and then click that, and then this little man will appear, and it will be holding your tool. So this is how you position your tool in his hand. So you can change, you can move it around, you can rotate it by pressing Z, as it says there. So I'm going to quickly do that, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so once you've got the tool how you want it to be, you've positioned it right, basically you just want to click again the tool grip editor to come out of it, and that is your tool. So now you can do whatever you want to it. This is now your tool. So I'm going to go ahead and put mine in the starter pack, which will put it straight into your little toolbar here, your backpack, when you join the game, and I'm going to test it out. Okay, so you can see down here that it says tool, so you can click that, and then you've got your little drink. I messed up my modeling a bit, but everything else works. The positioning works, and that's your tool. There is some other stuff you can do. For example, okay, somehow that actually didn't name cup, so that one I'll name it. And if you select the handle and the parts, then you can go down to here, and then you can uncheck can collide. Basically, I'll show you what that does. because if it's can collided, then it can't interact with, then it can't go through like walls and stuff, which can glitch out your character a little bit. So basically this is what happens when you disable the can colliding. It allows the tool to go through other objects, but if it is can collided, then it won't be able to go through any other blocks or anything like that, and it'll just push them unless they're anchored, in which case it'll glitch out your character a little bit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. It's how to make a tool in Roblox Studio. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a comment and like it or dislike it if you didn't like it. And I really appreciate the feedback, and any questions, please just tell me in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. I always reply. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Goodbye.